How to fix unable to insert YouTube video in PowerPoint. So you're putting together a presentation, you try to embed a YouTube clip to make your slides pop, and PowerPoint throws a frustrating error saying it cannot insert the video. So this usually happens due to broken video embed permissions, disabled internet security protocols, or an outdated web rendering engine inside Office, all of which we will fix. So first, let's make sure the video itself allows embedding and test the raw HTML embed code. So just open your video on YouTube and click the share button beneath the player. So you press on share. Instead of this copy, you choose embed. In this interface, you choose embed options if you want to play controls, or start at. Click here, Ctrl+C and copy the code. And also something that's important, if Uploader has disabled allow embedding in their video settings, PowerPoint will block it automatically. Now head back to PowerPoint, click Insert, then you choose Video, right here, and choose Online Video right here. So in this drop-down you choose that, and just insert that code inside it. Next, if PowerPoint is still throwing a security error, your Windows web settings might be blocking a secure background connection. So press on Windows R to open up the run command, then run Windows. In here type in inet cpl.cpl like that, and you will have this window pop up. Click on Advanced tab, then scroll down to the security section at the bottom, right here, and make sure that TLS 1.2 and 1.3 are enabled, and click OK. And also, if that button is grayed out for you just like it's for me, make sure to sign in with your Microsoft account, and also don't forget to go File, then you go Account, and make sure to update right here, Update Now, update the app to the latest version. So these should help. Enjoy, my friends.